Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be answering, where are UGGs made?
UGG is the trendiest brand of comfortable winter footwear in the world. But where are UGGs made and what is the history of this brand? UGG boots are synonymous with surf culture in Australia and Southern California. However, these now fashionable sheepskin boots are not actually made down under or in the US. Outside of Australia and New Zealand, UGGs are manufactured by Deckers Outdoor Corporation, a company based in the US with their manufacturing based in China and Vietnam. Here's the label inside my own pair of UGGs showing that they're made in Vietnam. UGG boots were certainly not invented by this US corporation. People were referring to this style of sheepskin boots as UGGs long before they were trademarked. UGGs is actually an Aussie term for handmade sheepskin boots, like the ones that sheep shearers wore back in the day in the 1920s in rural Australia. Australian surfers like Shane Steadman popularised the boots among surfers in the 1970s. Soon, a manufacturer in Western Australia, Country Leather, started marketing and distributing their sheepskin boots outside of Australia. The UGG brand, as most people know it around the world, originated in Southern California. Aussie surfer Brian Smith and Doug Jensen imported the Australian UGG boots to the US during the 1970s. In 1985, they registered and trademarked the boots in the US, and they officially became known as UGG boots. During the 1980s and 90s, UGG boots gained popularity around the world. They were advertised in surfer magazines and became a symbol of super cool SoCal lifestyle. They became trendy in US fashion in the 1990s and became a global trend during the 2000s. In 1995, Brian Smith sold UGG holdings to Deckers Outdoor Corporation for something to the tune of $14 million. Since then, UGG's manufacturing has moved to China to keep up with the rapidly growing demand for these high-fashion boots.
If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like and subscribe button. That'd be kind of you because it helps out my channel so much.